Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Tech Tutorial. So, welcome back. And today we'll be learning about the Zapier integration with Facebook for your new YouTube video posts. And before we had learned about how to integrate your YouTube with your LinkedIn, your company updates page, as how new video is when published, a new post is created automatically for your LinkedIn page. So that was discussed in the previous video with a step-by-step guide. And for those who do not know how to connect the accounts, how to connect your YouTube account with your Zapier account, you please watch the previous video that has been done in the previous video itself. And for using Zapier, you just have to put zapier.com and log in with any of your Google Gmail ID, and you are good to go. You will get 100 zaps for 1 month, and that are quite more than enough. So, without any further delay, let's start. So previously we learned about the LinkedIn YouTube integration. We learned how to sign in with YouTube, what are the permissions that it requires, and we'll click on allow. So for those who have not watched, I will suggest you to please go back to the previous video and watch it and then come back again. In this video, we'll be creating a Zap for Facebook integration with YouTube. So trigger, as you all know, that trigger is something that is the starting point or the turning point for any event. Like for example, if I select YouTube as the trigger, then any happening in the YouTube as per the logic that I have set, that will be the trigger, and that will create an output in the second app that I want to create. So I'll click on YouTube, and after clicking on YouTube, I will click on the trigger event, and that will be new video in channel. And why it will be new video in channel, that is also discussed in our previous video. It will be new video in channel, and I will just test the connection, and it is working correctly. We'll click on continue. For the channel ID, you will go to your YouTube main homepage, and you will go in the more section. You will go down, scroll down, share channel, and here copy channel ID, and we'll go back, we'll just paste it, and we are good to go. We'll click on continue, and then we'll have a test trigger option. We'll test it, and the trigger will fetch the records of YouTube, and it will show you that this is the third last video, this is second last video, this is the last video that has been uploaded till now. And I'll click on the latest video. I'll click on continue with selected record, and then I will take Facebook. So I will click on Facebook pages, or I can also search for Facebook, whatever you want. I will click on Facebook, and then I will click on the action event, that is the output event. Previously it was the trigger event for YouTube, and now it is the action event. To change profile photo, no, I do not want to change profile photo. Create page photo, although you can do that, because you'll just say that you have created a Google Drive, okay, and in the Google Drive you have you upload a photo in a particular folder. You upload a photo, and whenever you upload a photo, you get and whenever you upload a photo, that makes a trigger, and that makes a call, and that will be uploaded as the new profile photo for the Facebook. That can also be done. So there are various possibilities. So for this video strictly, we are learning about how, when a new video is published, is made public in our YouTube channel, how will it post on Facebook. So now we will click on create page post. Okay, not a create page photo, rather create page post. It will have photo, link, and its description, etc. We'll click on sign in. After sign in, we will sign in with the Facebook. Before that, you must make sure that your Facebook account is not a personal account. I do not mean to say that it is like explicitly personal, like as on paper, but rather that your Facebook account, when you create a Facebook account, you will have the option on the right side in the settings, and you will go into that. You will get two modes, like you will have a business mode, you will have a creator mode. You just have to select the business mode, and then you will have the option of doing such automations. If you have not done a business Facebook page, so that will not allow the Zapier to work correctly. So log into your Facebook account, go in the profile settings and make it as a Facebook page rather than a creator page or rather than a personal page. Now, after that, you will come over here, click on sign in, continue as proper tech tutorial, yes. And then I will click on opt into current pages only, opt in all current and future pages. You can select either of them. So I will click on opt in current pages only and I will click on continue. So these are the things which are requested. We'll click on save and after that we'll just go click on got it. To manage this connection, go to business integration. So we'll click on business integration and you will see that it has business integration has been created over here. If you see that there is any other integration that has been created that is not made by you, you can just click on remove and it will get removed. After that, just click on got it and everything is good to go. After that, we'll test the connection once again just for our satisfaction. Yes, it is working perfectly fine. Come back to Zapier, we'll click on continue and the page will be selected. So page is not getting selected. Aisa kaisa. Page is not getting selected. Let me check that. So I'll just go to the proper tech tutorial this page and I will go over here. I will copy it and I will go to the Zapier. I will click on custom value. I will paste over here. Okay. And the page is good to go. After that, we'll have a message. I'll take the message as I used to write. I will just copy it and I will just paste it. You can make any message you want, like for testing, you can just like write 1, 2, 3, and you are good to go. Okay, so I'll just write the title over here. I will click over here and I will write title. After that, I will scroll down and I will go to the photo, and in the photo, I will see the thumbnail, high resolution, and the link will be the YouTube URL and we are good to go. We'll click on continue and we'll test a step. So after testing, it will check if the YouTube trigger, if the Facebook page, everything is as it should be, and it will test and let us know. If there will be any error, we have to resolve that out. So page stream was sent to Facebook pages about 1 second ago. We'll check our Facebook page and we will get to know if our Facebook page has any new posts. So we see that 29th January. I'll just refresh it just now. So check out Proper Tech new video 38 by 38 and it has been created. The last was the 29th January, the day it was published. So as you can see that we have successfully created a Zapier integration for those who might get difficulty in selecting the page because there is some issue with Zapier that it does not automatically display the page name no matter which option you select. If you will select the first option for like all the future and current pages, then it will display you for the first time, but when you create another zap it will not display. The best thing is go to Facebook, go to your Facebook main homepage and select the whole URL, copy that and keep the only last URL, that is your username for the Facebook page. After that, you can see that everything has been done and we'll just click on publish. Previously, in the previous video, I showed you that how manual Zap runs do not count in the total out of 100. That is, after I will publish it, you will see that the Zap, I'll just rename it. I will make it Facebook YouTube integration, and that will be complete. So I'll go back to my zaps, I will go back to the folders, I will go back to both of them and you will see LinkedIn YouTube integration, Facebook YouTube integration, and still the tasks that remain are 90. Only 10 have been used. So again, I am mentioning manual zap runs do not count for the Zap runs out of 100. You can make as many manual runs, you can do as many hit and trials, as many errors as you like, as many modifications as you like, and do a manual run, and you are good to go. Only the automated runs will be counted in the zaps out of 100. But this scene is not applicable in make.com. So when we will switch to the make.com videos, when I'll show you how to integrate your social media handles with make.com, make sure that you do not exhaust your make.com runs too much, because even if when you are finding new records, like in Zapier, we find new records and we get three results. Even then an API call is made, and even then the make.com run is exhausted. So Zapier has this good benefit. So this sums up our video for our tutorial video for integrating our YouTube new video with the Facebook post, and how to create an update, etc. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you found our video useful. In case you have found our video useful, do comment and let us know your experience, and subscribe to our channel and like our videos, and you can share with your friends, classmates and colleagues, etc. So till the next time we meet, goodbye.